Welcome to Everwell Parts. With hurricane season approaching, it is crucial to make sure your HVAC system is protected. Today, we're going to share essential preventive tips to keep your HVAC equipment safe in the event of a storm. Hurricanes bring high winds, flooding, and debris, all of which can cause serious damage to your HVAC system. Taking a few simple steps before the storm hits can save you from costly repairs and keep your system running smoothly. Here are some preventive steps that you can take to protect your HVAC equipment before, during, and after the storm. Start by securing your outdoor unit. Strong winds can knock over your condenser or cause debris to damage it. You can use hurricane straps or bracket to anchor it to a concrete pad. This simple step can prevent serious damage from wind gusts. Next, turn off your HVAC system before the storm arrives. Power surges caused by lightning or drowned power lines can fry your system's electrical components. Shut it down at the breaker to keep it safe. If you live in a flood-prone area, you'll want to protect your outdoor unit from rising water. If possible, elevate your unit or install a flood barrier around it. Flooding can severely damage the electrical and mechanical components of your system. Clear any debris, branches, or loose objects around your outdoor unit. During a hurricane, these objects can become projectiles, causing significant damage. Also, consider trimming any trees or large shrubs that are close to your system. After securing and clearing your unit, cover it with a durable, waterproof HVAC cover. This will help shield it from rain and flying debris. Just remember, remove the cover after the storm before turning the system back on. Once the storm passes, follow these steps before restarting your HVAC system. Check your outdoor unit for any visible damage. Look for dent, debris logged inside the unit, or standing water around it. Check for your electrical components. If there were any power outages or surges, inspect your system's electrical components. If you're unsure, it's best to call a licensed HVAC technician for thorough inspection. Last but not least, do not turn on the system until it is safe. If your unit was submerged or damaged, do not turn it back on. Wait for a professional to make sure that it is safe to use. Turning it on too soon could lead for further damage or safety hazards. Finally, it's always a good idea to schedule regular maintenance with a licensed HVAC technician before hurricane season begins. A technician can ensure that your system is in good condition and ready to withstand the elements. By taking these simple steps, you can protect your HVAC system and avoid costly repairs after a hurricane. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.